Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G23 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone through these settings. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your phone, make sure that the battery level on your phone is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your phone. Now let's continue with the reset. First we need to open the settings on our phone, so let's tap on the settings icon. In settings we need to scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. Here we need to select option called reset options, and right here we have the option called erase all data factory reset. Tap on this option, tap on erase all data. If you have some kind of screen protection or screen lock like pattern, password and stuff like that, you need to enter the pattern or password to confirm. Then tap on erase all data and let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this phone through these settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.